Today, we're making the ultimate super moist pumpkin bread. It's my Aunt Lynne's recipe and one we always bake during the holidays because it's just that good. Hi, I'm Lisa from Garlic and Zest, and I make modern recipes for the family table. And this pumpkin bread, it's unbelievably moist, perfectly sweet, warmly spiced without going overboard, and it makes 3 loaves. Start with the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, baking soda and powder, salt, cinnamon, cloves, mace, allspice, and nutmeg. Whisk it well until the ingredients are combined and set aside. Then we crack some eggs. You'll need 4 large eggs for this. Use a whisk to scramble them well, and then we're going to add the rest of the wet ingredients, which includes sugar and vegetable or canola oil. Whisk them until they're really well blended and very smooth and emulsified. And then comes the pumpkin puree. You can use any brand you like or use a sugar pumpkin and make your own. Mix it well to ensure that it's thoroughly blended, and then we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet. Add a little bit of flour at a time, and we're going to alternate adding the flour as well as water, and the water is going to help keep it moist and give it a loose batter. So back and forth with a little flour and then more water, just until everything is smooth and combined and you've got a nice creamy batter. This recipe makes a lot of batter, so I really recommend using a stand mixer. It just makes everything easier to blend. You can do it by hand, but make sure you've got a really large mixing bowl because it fills up fast. Scrape down the sides to make sure you've got all of the dry ingredients incorporated, and then let's prepare the pans. Give them a spray with vegetable spray and line with a sheet of parchment paper. I actually spray the parchment again just to ensure nothing sticks, and then just divide your batter between the 3 prepared pans. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes in a 350-degree oven, just until a toothpick comes out clean. I like to let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before I take them out of the pan. You just remove the parchment paper, and there you go. The aroma of this pumpkin bread is incredible. It just smells like the holidays, and the crumb is so plush and super moist every time. Grab the printable recipe link in the description. I'm Lisa from Garlic and Zest. If you like this, hit the like and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes for your modern family table. Enjoy.